you're still paying monthly fees on funded accounts, or if you're waiting weeks to get payouts in some cases, then you are getting ripped off. My name is Robert. Welcome to my channel where I do prop firm reviews. We talk about futures day trading. We talk about all the different things that are going on in the industry right now to try to get you to a place where you can use some of these prop firms and be able to have a confident pick in who you go with so that you're not just flushing money down the drain. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So if you're new here, my name is Robert. I am a funded trader. I have been doing this now for a couple years, and I wanted to come on and share my experience about what my top picks for prop firms are going into 2026. Just recently, I started to become break even and turn that corner into profitability. So now I'm looking for more prop firms to be able to trade at so that I can scale out horizontally and eventually be taking payouts from multiple firms at one time. So with all that said, let's just dive right in. My number 3 pick for 2026 is Apex Trader Funding. So Apex was founded back in 2021 by Daryl Martin over in Texas. And this is the scaling king. Apex allows you to trade up to 20 accounts. And that's a big thing because you can go for those absolutely huge epic payouts with this company. They have a good history of paying their traders. There has been controversy around some of things that have happened in the past, but they've really kind of turned the corner now, in my opinion. Now there's a lot going on in terms of the number of payouts over the years here. If we look on their website, we're talking about $600 million in payouts in total compensation to customers since 2022. You can't say that this firm is a scam when they've paid out over $600 million. And that's just insane to say that. And we know that they're not, because they have a record of paying all this money out to all these different people. As long as you're following the rules, you can use this prop firm to scale your strategy out in a huge way. And it's really, really great in that sense. So the first 100% of the first 25K that you make per account, you get to keep 100% of that. Then after that, it goes to the 90-10 split. They have simple rules here. There are no daily loss limits. There is a trailing intraday drawdown. That's probably the hardest rule that they have. They have a trailing intraday drawdown. They also allow you to trade up to 20 accounts. The real-time data is included. There's no cap on your maximum payouts. You can get a lot of money from them if your strategy is profitable. The hardest part, in my opinion, is the intraday trailing drawdown. I did make a video about that, and I can leave a link to that up here on the screen. About the intraday trailing drawdown, that's probably the hardest part. They also allow you to trade the maximum contract size from the beginning. So if it's a 50K account and it has 10 minis, you can go ahead and just trade 10 minis right out the gate if that's what you want to do. They support all the major platforms. They have their own platform, which is called Wealth Charts. They also have all the rhythmic platforms. They do Trade-Of-8. They do Ninja Trader. So everything's available to anyone that wants to trade pretty much with anything. They have all of it. Right now, they currently do have a 90% off sale going on. So with their smaller accounts, the 25K, 50K, 100K, we have a lifetime PA special with $65. So you're talking about $84.60 all in. You got $19.60 for the account, and then $65 for 25, 50K, and 100K accounts. That gives you $84.60 all in. And then we have the 150K, 250K, 300K accounts with the lifetime PA at $125, which will put you at $144.60 all in. $60 resets. It's 1 day to pass, and there's no consistency rule in the evaluations. After the evaluations, it does move to a 30% consistency rule. If this deal is no longer valid when you're watching this video, it's okay. Just use my code RTF and you'll get whatever the discount is at that time. So whatever the discount is, if you put my code in, whatever it is at that moment with any of these firms, it will give you the best possible price that you can get. And in some cases, I do get exclusive deals that are actually additional than a bigger discount than you would normally get. So with Apex here, if you look on my little sheet, I have a cheater sheet that I've made, a prop comparison list. This is my 3rd pick here. This is the 3rd in the list. And it has all these different platforms that we can use from. We've got 20 maximum accounts, and this will just give you a real quick rundown on what some of the rules are and some of the things so that you can do a brief comparison. So there's more here than just 3, but I'm only going to talk about the top 3 firms on this list right now. Coming in at number 2, we have Take Profit Trader. The Take Profit Trader has been around for some time as well, almost as long as Apex, and they are the day one payout specialist. This company will pay you on the same day. Once you get to pro accounts and you've passed your test evaluation phase, you can get into an account, and you can then on that same day, if you made the buffer, you would be able to withdraw money into your wallet on that very same day. I don't recommend doing that because you don't want to just go in and be haphazard about how you trade. You want to be consistent and try to keep yourself in a way that doesn't blow your account up each time that you pass a test and just go in and start max leveraging. You don't want to do that. That's not responsible. But if you wanted to, you could. So the great things about Take Profit Trader, we've got, you can pass the test in as little as 5 days. You can get your money out fast once you have passed. After your 5K in profits, you can upgrade to the 90-10 split in the live trading, which is in the Pro Plus account. But it also is 80-20 until you get to that point. And if we jump back over here and look on my sheet, I have a little cheat sheet here on the profit split. It's 80-20 in Pro, which is a sim funded, which happens right after you pass your test. And then 90-10 in Pro Plus, which is in the live account. They do move to a 90-10 split. I do personally believe that most of the firms will be moving towards a 90-10 split or an 80-20 split in the coming year due to regulation with the CME. That is just pure speculation. We don't know if that's actually going to happen yet. So all we can really do is go with what information we have right now. Right now, it's 80-20, and then it moves over to the 90-10 if you get called up to live. So it's super great. The only hard thing that I don't like, and most people are aware of this rule now, it's clearly stated on their website, and it also will be, you'll be notified when they send you the email once you've passed your test. It's an intraday trailing drawdown on the Pro account, on the sim funded account. So after you pass your test, you go into Pro and to sim funded, and while you're trading in sim funded, you go from an end of day drawdown into an intraday trailing drawdown, which is a little bit annoying. Once you get back to the live, though, after you get upgraded the third time and you move from Pro to Pro Plus, then you move into the live category and you'll go back to 90-10 profit split. And also it'll go to the end of day drawdown, just like it would in a normal brokerage account if you were trading with your own money. There is a sale going on right now. You can get 40% off. Use my code RTF, and there are no activation fees for life. Again, the same thing as any of the other firms. If the sale is not active, as long as you use my link and put my code in, you'll get whatever the deepest discount that's available at this time is. Other things about Take Profit Traders, we've got, fantastic reviews on Trustpilot. They also support many platforms. You got your CQGs with a Ninja Trader, TradingView, Trade8. And then also the rhythmic platforms. You have everything from RTrader, Quant Tower, MotiveWave, Sierra Chart, Jigsaw. All the different rhythmic platforms are also available through Take Profit Trader, which is fantastic. Now, there are some disadvantages. The trailing drawdown, like I said, the intraday trailing drawdown on the sim funded account, that section, I don't love that. I did a comparison on Take Profit and Lucid, and I'll leave a link to that video up here so that you can also see that. And that brings us to number one on our list, which is Lucid Trading. Now, Lucid is relatively new, and I know that does bother some people, but I'm going to tell you, if you can take that and set it aside, I believe that Lucid is hands down the best pick right now. Hands down. The pricing is great. The customer service is great. The payouts are absolutely they're paying out people so quickly without denials. They are just paying people out as long as you're following their rules. So back when I started trading with this company back in November, they had about $5 million that they had paid out to traders. Now they're up to $20 million, which they've paid out to traders. And they are just on this fast track right now to explode onto the scene and maybe move themselves way up to the top in terms of market share and how many traders are trading with them, because they have great rules. They pay out super quickly. And they have no problems to speak of so far. They're doing really well. I also like the management at this firm. I think that AJ is a stand-up guy. They are doing a really good job with making sure that people's thoughts and opinions are being heard. They're listening to what the traders are asking of them, and they're doing the best they can to accommodate everybody, making sure that everybody gets paid, and making sure that they have easy to follow rules, easy to understand, good customer service. Their Trustpilot rating is exceptionally high. So if you're tired of like the slow payout process, if you're tired of not knowing exactly when you're going to get paid out, not knowing if somebody's going to answer your email request, pick Lucid because they have great pricing, they have great customer service, they're paying people out really, really quickly, and they're definitely my top pick. They're the ones that I have the most accounts with right now is definitely with Lucid Trading. And if you use code RTF, there's a bunch of sales going on right now. They've got buy 5, get 1 free reset. Any Flexor Pro account, you can buy 5 accounts. If you use my code, you will get a free reset if you blow one of those accounts. They also have 40% off of the 25K and the 50K evaluation accounts. So that includes both Lucid Pro and Lucid Flex. 25K or 50K, if you use code RTF, you will get those at 40% off. They also have 30% off everything else. So any other size Lucid Pro or Lucid Flex account, so whether it's 100 or 150K Pro Val or the 100K Flex, the 150K Flex, those are all 30% off with RTF. And all the Lucid Direct accounts are also 30% off with the code RTF. Plus, if you're a new trader and you have not ever had an account with them, it's buy 1, get 1 free for your first 2 accounts. So it's 50% off your first 2 accounts. So they have all of that going on right now. And again, if that ends by the time that you've watched this video, that's okay. Just put my code RTF in and you'll get whatever the deepest discount is at this time. Whatever is active in their system, my code will acknowledge it for you and get you the discount that is running at that particular time. Also, join my Discord. If you join my Discord, you'll see what current prop promotions are going on, places that I'm partnered up with that I will give you in the free prop Discord, information about what's going on with sales, information about what's going on in the industry. All of those things are available there to you as well. It's also with the free Discord, you're going to get some of my leverage stock ETF picks. I go ahead and call those out in my Discord server. I have a channel where I just work on the leverage ETF strategy. I also do futures analysis daily. There's stuff about news events and things that are happening in there. And there's just conversations going on. So if you want to join that, come join. It's totally free, 100%. It always will be free. Also, drop me a comment below. What prop firm are you going to go with this year? Is it one of these 3? Or maybe it's one of the ones that you want to check out on my prop comparison list and see if there's something that better suits your needs. I'd love to hear from you. So I'm going to go ahead now and leave you a video up here on the screen for Lucid Flex. This is my #1 account pick right now. This is the one that I think is the best accounts across everything that's going on for me personally in the prop space. I'm going to go ahead and leave a video to Lucid Flex right here for you to watch.